This is a ULV fogger. You can use this if you need to spray out mist or if you need to sanitize. You can use this for horses, your cattle. If you have a dog kennel, this will definitely be perfect because you can cool them down with a nice good misting. Again, you can use whatever you need to use to sanitize. You can sanitize in the house or in a building, warehouse. Just make sure you wear your proper PPE whenever you sanitize, but we're not using it for sanitizing. We're going to use it for misting. Here is your handle. You have on and off, and that's it. All right, nothing more, nothing less. Boom. Here, this is 2 gallons, 8 liters. So you have 4 liters to a gallon. So that's the capacity. 8 liters, 2 gallons. Got the cap here. They gave you another cap. All right, then you have your specs on the back, and it tells you all about the shoulder and back ultra low capacity sprayer, and then it lets you know the power is 1200 watts. Voltage, you could hook this up to your 110 volt to 120 volt outlet. Okay, range, spraying rate, it has the spraying rate right there and all of that. Range 6 to 10 meters and all of that good stuff. So there you go right there. Pause it, take a photo, do what you got to do. All right, you guys, and then you have your electrical. All right, you guys, I'm gonna plug this in here. I forgot to show y'all that this knob right here is your adjuster for the valve. So right there it says, please turn off the valve before shutting down. So I have it all the way to the right now. Remember back in school where they said, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally? Well, please excuse my messy backyard. I am doing some spring cleaning this week. We're still in spring, you guys. So calm down. I know it's almost Father's Day, it's almost summertime, but I'm getting to it, you guys. Spring cleaning, I'm getting to it. All right, plugged it in and turning it on. And that is pretty cool. All right, you guys, putting it on my back. Well, side strap, not back. And I can loosen it a little bit more. Jeez Louise. Just a little bit. All right, that's better. All right, you guys, so now we're about to get into it. I got it plugged in. I turned it on for a little bit already, and it got a nice vacuum sound to it, okay? It might quiet your dogs down or it might make them go crazy, depending on your dog's personality. All right, I'm gonna turn it back on again, and you will hear it, but you'll see the mist. You guys, this thing is powerful. If you have horses, cattle, all that stuff, if you have a farm, this is definitely your friend to keep your animals cooled down, especially on very, very hot days. So if I want to spray chemicals or something down on my grass or something, if I want it to be like more spread out or quicker, then this will definitely be good. But if you want to, cross contamination, I wouldn't do that if you want to use this for your animals and stuff. But yeah, whatever your niche is, whether a bug controller, sanitation, whatever, or you just wanted to mist down your animals or your family. You might want to mist down your family. I don't know. But this is definitely a good product to have. I'll catch y'all on the next product review.